Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, October 22nd. Seeing some low ceilings out there this morning and some IFR conditions with ceilings below 500 feet currently. We are going to continue to see these conditions for the next hour or so, and then starting to see some breaks in the clouds in the late morning hours and closer to lunchtime. Then we're going to be seeing a chance of some showers as we go towards the late afternoon hours and possibly even a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Take a look at our satellite loop here. We do have some low cloudiness, not really easily visible here on the IR satellite. We do have this line of showers, though, developed across the Appalachians, and that line is going to continue to move eastward as we go throughout the day today, impacting us this afternoon. Looks like our best chance of rain is going to be after about 2 p.m., but we could see a slight chance of an isolated shower as early as the early afternoon hours, but then rain becoming more likely after about 4 p.m. and into the evening hours. So taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have that front there producing those showers, as you can see on this map. Still a little bit of high pressure directly overhead. That's helping to keep our winds nice and calm this morning, which is allowing this patchy low clouds and some fog to develop across the Wallops region here. As that front approaches the area, we'll start to see some south-southeasterly winds increase late this morning, and that'll help to clear out these low clouds a little bit, perhaps giving us some peaks of sunshine. Still going to be struggling to see our temperatures get too much higher than the upper 60s, though, this afternoon, as we do anticipate clouds to remain, or skies to remain mostly cloudy throughout the entire day until this rain gets here this afternoon. Currently, seeing a broken cloud deck at 200, overcast at around 900 with restricted visibilities out there. Visibilities in the last couple minutes have even dropped close to only around a mile. We are seeing very light winds right now, only around 3 knots from the southeast. Temperature is 58 degrees with humidity near 95%. Take a quick look at our radar. Once again, you can see those showers. Not really seeing any thunderstorm activity, but we will be seeing some isolated thunderstorms develop as this shower line moves to the east later today. And any thunderstorm activity we see here at Wallops is really going to depend on how much sunshine we see. We're really not expecting too much today, but if we do get a little more than anticipated, that could increase our chances for thunderstorms late this afternoon into early this evening. So taking a look at our forecast for today, expecting a high near 69 as we go into this afternoon. Winds are going to increase from the southeast late this morning, then into the early afternoon from the south-southeast, around 9 to 14 knots and gusty, and then possibly seeing gusts reach wind advisory criteria when we get into those any showers and thunderstorms, mainly after 4 p.m. today. And then it looks like our shower and thunderstorm chances will be ending around midnight, and then we'll have high pressure building and helping to clear the clouds out as we go into the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. Expecting a low by mid-morning Wednesday around 57 degrees, and we're also going to see those winds shift northwesterly as we go into the mid-morning hours too, becoming 8 to 13 knots and gusty by 8 a.m. on Wednesday. We are going to take a look at our terminal forecast. We are going to remain mostly cloudy throughout the day, a little bit of a complicated TAF throughout the day. We are going to see those ceilings between about 500 and 1,000 feet through the next couple hours here, then becoming broken at 1,500 and broken at 12,000 with some upper level layers as we go throughout the late morning and into the early afternoon, and continuing to see those lower clouds near 1,500 feet, and then we'll see those ceilings start to drop just a little bit as we get towards the late afternoon, early evening hours, especially if we get into any rain showers, possibly seeing those ceilings drop back down to 500 feet if we get into any heavier thunderstorms. Then after midnight tonight, we'll start to see those clouds decrease. By mid-morning Wednesday, only seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet and a few at 25,000 feet, and still seeing tides about 1/2 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. So we are expected to remain dry throughout the remainder of the morning hours and at least through the early afternoon if any outdoor work needs to be done today. And then we can expect those rain chances to begin as early as 2, but not too likely until 4, and that's when our thunderstorm chances looks like they'll begin. Only expecting about a 20 to 25% chance of a thunderstorm between about 4 p.m. and midnight this afternoon and evening. So for tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly sunny and seasonable with that high pressure building in. It is going to be a little bit breezy early with our as we get those pressure gradients tightened up behind this front. Expect a high of 67. Wednesday night's going to be clear and chilly. Should also see some calm winds. That'll help to give us some radiational cooling. Low expected down to 43. And then Thursday also going to be mostly sunny and seasonable with that high of 67. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.